Hello, bachcho. Let's see this question. And the question says that the ratio of the lengths of the side BC and AC of triangle ABC to the radius of circumscribed circle are equal to 2 and 3 by 2 respectively if the ratio of the length of the bisector of the interior angle B and C is alpha into root alpha minus 1 divided by beta into root gamma, where alpha comma beta comma gamma belongs to the natural number. Then find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. ठीक है, तो हमें यहाँ पर अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं। सबसे पहले इसका डायग्राम बनाते हैं। सो डायग्राम इज दिस इज द ट्रायंगल ए बी एंड सी। ठीक है, सो दिस लेंथ इज गोइंग टू बी ए, आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट, और बी के अपोजिट की साइड को मैं बोल रहा हूँ बी एंड दिस साइड इज सी। ठीक है, नाउ what are the key concept I'm going to use here is the key concept. Okay, की कॉन्सेप्ट। तो सबसे पहले मैं यहां पर इस साइन रूल का यूज करने वाला हूं। ठीक है, साइन रूल का यूज करेंगे एंड along with that I am going to use the length of angle bisector. ठीक है, इन दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट का यूज करके इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। ठीक है, चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर इन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी। ठीक है, इन ट्रायंगल ए बी एंड सी, right, I'm going to use the sine rule. So I can write 2a divided by sine a, which is equals to 2b divided by sine b, and which is equals to 2c divided by sine c, and which is equals to r. R is the radius of this triangle ABC. All right, but हमें यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है, the ratio of side BC, right, and the circumscribed radius. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली उन्होंने हमें क्या दिया हुआ, a बाई आर की वैल्यू दी है। ठीक है, अगर हम साइड BC की बात करें दैट मीन्स दिस साइड इज a एंड डिवाइडेड बाई r एंड विच इज इक्वल्स टू 2। ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ a बाई आर। ठीक है, तो यहां से वैल्यू ऑफ a बाई आर कितनी मिलेगी हमको, दैट विल बी 2 sin a and which is equals to 2, and from here we can calculate that the angle A is going to be 90 degree. ठीक है, now again they have given the ratio of side AC. AC is this, that is B, and to the circumradius basically they have given the B by R, right? So B by R value is how much, B by R is equals to 3 by 2 they have given. So from the sine rule, from here we can calculate the value of B by R, and that is 2 sin B. All right, so 2 sin B is equals to 3 by 2, and sin B is equals to 3 by 4। ठीक है, तो हमें दो चीजें पता चल गई, एक तो एंगल A that is 90 degree and sin B is 3 by 4. So the triangle is basically the right angle triangle, so we can draw the right angle triangle over here। ठीक है, so this length is A, sorry, this is A, this is B, and this is C. All right, so and this angle is 90 degree, and this length is A, and which is actually equal to, if we look at this, let me draw, assign all the lengths. This is A, this is B, and this is C. ठीक है, so sin B, that is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So from there we can calculate the perpendicular is V, that means the value of V is 3 and the value of A is 4. By the Pythagoras theorem we can calculate the value of C, and that will be root 7. All right, so but here we have to calculate the angle bisector length, right? So the angle bisector of C, it will be something like this, and the angle bisector of B, this will be something like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm just giving the name. So let's say this is L1 and this is L2 over here। ठीक है, तो हमें पता है we know the formula of angle bisector की length का। ठीक है, so the L1 square is equal to the product of these side length. So that is going to be 4 root 7 into 1 minus the B square, that is 3 square divided by 4 plus root 7 square। ठीक है, so this is the value of L1 here. Similarly we can write the L2. So L2 is going to be, L2 is this, so 3 into 4, that will be 12 into 1 minus This will be root 7 square, that is 7 divided by 7 square. Why? Because 3 plus 4 is 7, so the square of it. Now what we are going to do here is, this is L2 square actually, so we have to calculate the ratio of L1 divided by L2. So for that we have to solve first L1 here. So L1 is what? So L1 is 4 root 7, ठीक है, and here 4 plus root 7 square, I am taking just LCM, minus, that is 9 divided by 4 plus root 7 square. All right, now if we solve further, we'll get the value of L1, and that is going to be 56 into 4 minus root 7 divided by 9. ठीक है, और अगर हम L2, this is actually L1 square here, and L2 square actually is, that is 12 into 1 minus 7 by 7 square. ठीक है, so the value of L2 square is 12 into, this is going, here we can cancel out 1 7, and this is going to be 6 by 7. ठीक है, so the value of L2 square is equals to कितना हो जाएगा, 72 divided by 7. ठीक है, अब हमें वैल्यू किसकी फाइंड आउट करनी है, L1 by L2 की. ठीक है, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, let's say this is the equation 1 and this is the equation number 2, तो हम इन दोनों का क्या करेंगे, रेशियो ले लेंगे. ठीक है, so the L1 by L2 is, or we can say L1 square divided by L2 square is equals to 56 4 minus root 7, ठीक है, which is divided by 9 into, this is going to be 7 divided by 72, right? So we can cancel out from here by 8, uh, this is actually 7 times, and this is actually 9 times. So L1 by L2 square can be written as 7 square divided by 9 square, and this further can be written as 1 minus root 7 whole square divided by 2, right? So for making this perfect square, I have divided by 2, right? So L1 divided by L2, all right, is equals to 7 square divided by 9 square into, this can be written as root 7 minus 1 whole square divided by 2. Now we can calculate the value of L1 divided by L2 over here. So L1 by L2 is what? 7 by 9, right? Into root 7 minus 1, ठीक है, which is divided by root 2. All right, now this is the value of the L1 divided by L2, and which is actually the ratio of the angle bisector of angle B and angle C. Now we can compare with the given. So what is the value of L1 by L2? Let me rewrite again. That is 7 into root 7 minus 1 divided by 9 into root 2. So after comparing, we can write the value of alpha is 7, right? And the value of beta is 9, and the value of gamma is 2, right? So what we have to find out, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and that is going to be 7 plus 9 plus 2, and which is actually 18, right? So the final answer is, so the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 18. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.